Hello, this is Riddhi, and this video presentation is going to take you through our robotics project idea, Portable Solar Charger. Giving an introduction to our team, the name of our team is Technomatic Hub and has three members, Madhavi, Riddhi Jetli, myself, and Khushi Vora. This presentation is going to take you through the following contents, the problem domain of our project along with the current industry practices and also the solutions available, also the challenges that we need to adhere while creating the project. Apart from this, it also identifies the gaps and opportunities of our project and gives the solution for the mentioned problems. Lastly, we're going to discuss about the advantages of our project in daily life. First off, talking about the problem domain. The problem domain we are addressing here is lack of access to electricity in remote areas, which makes charging our electronic devices difficult. So, in today's world where we are highly reliant on technology, there's still a major challenge faced, that is lack of electricity in remote areas. This can be particularly problematic when we are traveling on team tours or missions in areas with high altitudes and no access to electricity. This is where our project comes in, Portable Solar Charger. It's an affordable and convenient solution that can be used in traveling purposes to charge your devices using solar energy. Talking about the current situation of our project and identifying the gaps and opportunities in the industry. Our project identifies the gaps in the industry for a portable solar charger that operates on easily available sources of energy, and that is sunlight, which is a abundantly clean and renewable source of energy, and it can elevate the energy limits of the batteries used to charge our appliances. It's also a portable charger so that it can be easily operated on the available source, that is sunlight, and can be carried around. Talking about the current industry practices, there are some solutions available in the industry like power banks and solar power banks chargers, but they are not always convenient and are very costly. And with the increasing awareness of utilizing renewable energy resources, the demand for the non-renewable energy resources is decreasing. So, products functioning on renewable energy resources such as solar and wind energy are growing more and more. Next up, I'm gonna pass it on to my teammate Madhvi to explain the further slides. Thank you.
Moving on to the project overview, this part gives an overview of our project and describes all its technical features. Our robot will prove to be beneficial in areas facing lack of electricity, such as the situations addressed by my teammate Vritti earlier. What makes it different from already available solar chargers is that it includes the facilities of being remote controlled, tracking of present location through Wi-Fi controlled GPS system, a solar tracking system, a camera module to monitor its path, and an anti-theft setup. Coming towards the main components, the project will employ a remote controller based on 433 MHz radio frequency receiver transmitter module with an HT12 DNA encoder decoder IC. Then it calls for a Node MCU ESP8266 microcontroller board which will make the GPS module work through Wi-Fi connectivity. A Neo 6M GPS module to get the robot's location, speed and time sitting at a faraway location. An ESP32 camera module which is again Wi-Fi controlled to capture the images and videos of the path it is following. Our project also includes a solar tracking setup which uses two LDR sensors monitored by two 100K resistors to sense the direction of sunlight and two servo motors to turn in its direction. Lastly, it has an anti-theft provision based on the concept of laser light. This will again include an LDR sensor and a buzzer will beep if the laser beam breaks. Hence, this was the complete technical overview of our project. Now I hand over the pitch to my friend and teammate Khushi Vora to talk about its advantages and solutions to the problem we are addressing.
Now I'm going to continue the presentation talking about the advantages of a project. The greatest advantage is that you can have electricity to charge mobile phones or any device anywhere in the world. All we need is the rays of sun. It's a low maintenance robot. Since the solar panel consume no fuel and have no moving parts to wear, there are no air, oil or fuel filters to change. Simply keep the surface of the panels clean. There are no moving parts, which means no mechanical noise. Simply place the solar panel in the sun and you generate electricity. It's a portable solar charger, which means we can carry this anywhere in the world flexibly. It uses solar energy, that is a renewable source of energy, and it reduces carbon emissions. This robot will be a sustainable and environment friendly source of power that can be operated independently. Now let's talk about the solution to the problem described earlier. A portable solar charger is an energy storage device that can collect solar energy and utilizes it to power various electronic devices such as mobiles, tablets, laptops, and so on. It can be utilized when there is no electricity. It will be an cost effective, portable, and efficient solution to the previously mentioned problem. This will be a tiny and helpful charger for the team travels or operations in the region where electricity is not available, such as high aviations. The existing devices do not have any anti theft mechanism or a video surveillance provision for security, but our project does. Our project is entirely environment friendly and affordable. Thank you, that's all about our project.